Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's UPSC Toppers Answer Copy Analysis, we are going to see All India Rank 1 of UPSC 2024 Shakti Dubey's Answer Copy. Let's first try to understand the question which has been asked here. Then we will try to analyze how this All India Rank 1 Shakti Dubey has addressed this particular question in an effective manner. What are the reasons behind the inefficient use of water in Indian agriculture? Suggest measures to improve water use efficiency. This particular question is picked from GS paper 3 agricultural component syllabus. Okay friends, let's now try to analyze the question. We know very well here there are two components which has been asked in the question. Not only that, it is a 10 marker question. So we should try to write it in a minimum of 1.5 page to a maximum of the 2 pages given in the examination. So overall, if you look at this particular topper, while looking at the answer, she has addressed the answer in a proper structure. That is, there is a proper introduction, and then there is a body of the answer, and also there is a conclusion which has been written. So the structure of the answer is going to be very important in real UPSC mains examination. Not only that, whenever we are writing introduction or conclusion, we should write it in a maximum of 3 to 3.5 lines. This is what this particular topper has also done here. So if you look at the question here, we know very well there are two components which has been asked in the question. So while writing the body of the answer, there should be two subheadings. That is what this particular topper has used, two subheadings, and she has highlighted that also. Not only that, if you look at the body of the answer, friends, she has addressed that in a point-wise format. Since it is a 10 marker question, she has written for the first subheading 4 points and for the second subheading 5 points. So overall, she has written 9 points. In real UPSC mains examination also, I will be advising my students to write, if it is a 10 marker question, try to write a minimum of 6 points to a maximum of 10 points. And if you are writing a 15 marker question, try to write a minimum of 12 points to a maximum of 15 points to fetch maximum marks in the mains examination. So since this particular topper has written 9 points for the body of the answer, she will be getting half a mark for each of the points she has written. So overall, for the body of the answer itself, she would have fetched 4.5 marks. Not only that, she has used data in the introduction itself. The usage of data is going to be very important whenever we are writing GS paper 3 answer. So for this particular component, she will be getting half a mark extra for the value addition which she has done. Not only that, she has highlighted the committee reports in her answer also. This is also going to be very important. Whenever we are writing a GS paper 3 answer, the committee reports, data and schematic diagrams are going to be very crucial to fetch extra marks in the examination. So overall, if you look at this particular topper, regarding the marking component, for the introduction, she'll be getting 1 mark, and for the conclusion, she would have got another 1 mark. Not only that, for using that data, she would have got another half a mark extra, which we have discussed already. So overall, for the body of the answer, she got 4.5 mark. Introduction and conclusion, 1 mark each. So overall, this comes around 6.5 mark, and for using that value addition data, another half mark extra. So for this 10 marker, she would have got the maximum of 7 marks in the examination. If you look at this particular topper, All India Rank 1 Shakti Dubey, in written examination, she has got 843 marks, and in personality 200, and fetching around 1043 marks out of 2025. That is the maximum mark in the real examination. So some of the important points which we can learn from this All India Rank 1 Shakti Dubey's answer writing is that whenever we are writing UPSC mains examination, structure of the answer is going to be important, and while writing the structure of the answer, there should be a proper introduction, body and conclusion. And the introduction and conclusion should be written in 3 to 3.5 lines to get that 1 marks. Not only that, if you look, while writing the body of the answer, we should try to write it in a subheading approach. Followed by that, it should be written in a point-wise format. And whenever we are writing GS3 component, the important thing which we should keep in mind is we should use relevant data, committee reports in our answer. And while addressing the question, we should try to address the question in a complete manner like All India Rank 1 Shakti Dubey. So these are some of the important learnings from All India Rank 1 Shakti Dubey's answer writing. Friends, whenever you are writing answers, please try to incorporate these points for your GS paper 3 agricultural syllabus component to fetch maximum marks in the examination. If you have any other doubts, you can comment and you can contact us for further any mentorship program also. Thank you, friends.